how can you edit the Google Sheets on the iPhone? Let me explain how it works. Let's get started. If you are first time on Foxtecc, most definitely subscribe so you do not miss videos like this one. So you can open up the Google Sheets app. It's most definitely recommended to get it as an application, even though you can use it like in an online version or in the different apps, but it's much better to use the Sheets application right away. So you can open up your files like that, and you can see right away that we have access to the spreadsheet like that. So you can see you can zoom in and out. The columns and rows are clearly going to be visible. So you can tap on the individual folders or cells and a double tap on it to enter the edit mode. So you can click on that and just type in all of the different things, right? So you can switch to the numbers keyboard or type in the text keyboard. So you have that little 1, 2, 3 button or ABC or AA, right? And you can switch back and forth. You can also click on the FX to edit the function for it. And you can see that you get to edit the cells the very same way as on a computer. So it gets the job done. Also, you can grab the edge or like the corner of the selected cell, and you can select multiple of them. So you work with different areas of the spreadsheet, just like on a computer version, right? So again, you have the ability to perhaps merge them together or paint it a different color for the background. So you can see plenty of different options. So perhaps I'll make an updated video where I just cover in a depth this like application. So stay tuned for that. This was just a quick guide on how you can actually perform the edits. Let me know what you think below. Stay tuned for the next tutorials and videos like this one, and I'll see you later as well.